Okay, let's dive right into this explainer. We're going to build something incredibly powerful today, a totally streamlined IT support ticket workflow. And we're doing it directly inside Slack's workflow builder. If you've ever felt buried alive by endless, messy help requests, you're going to love this. So think about it. How much time does your support team actually waste trying to decode chaotic, unstructured messages? If you're in IT or ops, you know exactly what I mean. The hey, this system is acting weird pings. They seem minor, right? But these unstructured requests totally break your momentum. It's the classic manual ticket trap. You end up wasting half your morning just chasing down basic details before you can even start troubleshooting. We really want to completely transform those messy, missing context pings into clean, actionable data. Taking the help my app is broken messages and instantly turning them into a highly visible, automatically formatted support ticket, all without ever leaving Slack. Now, the best part? We're pulling this off using zero code automation, which literally means what it sounds like. Whether you're on a free or a pro Slack workspace, anyone can build this routing logic. No developer required, not a single line of code. You can literally fix this bottleneck today.
All right, step one. Let's trigger the workflow builder.
Getting there is super simple. You just look up at the top left of your screen and click your workspace name. From there, hit Tools, open up the Workflow Builder, and just click New to start a fresh canvas. Oh, and if you don't see Tools right away, it might be hiding under Automations or the More tab. Now, Slack does give us a bunch of cool ways to kick things off, like reacting with an emoji or setting a daily schedule. But for a support desk, we're definitely going to choose from a link in Slack. This is a total game changer. It means we generate a simple link, pin it to a channel, and boom, your team can launch the whole support intake process with literally one click. Moving on to step 2, building the intake form. So, right on our blank canvas, we just add a step and choose Collect Info in a Form. Honestly, this is the secret weapon for eliminating those frustrating back and forth questions. By using a form, we're basically forcing the requester to pause and actually give us the context we need before anyone on the support team even gets a notification.
We'll set this form up to require a few specific standardized fields. We need an issue type, like is it a bug or a billing thing? We need priority, is it a low-level annoyance or a totally urgent meltdown? We also grab the affected user and a detailed issue description. By making these mandatory, we standardize every single request. No more guessing games.
Okay, step 3, configuring the automated output. Next up, we add the Send a Message to a Channel step to our workflow. We're going to route this output straight into a dedicated triage channel. Let's call it #support_tickets. This keeps all that noise out of your general chat and centralizes every IT issue into one visible, highly searchable spot. Now, let's look at the mapping, because this is where the magic actually happens. When we draft our automated message, we use dynamic variables. This means whatever the user typed into the form perfectly automatically slots right into our output message. So the priority they selected in the dropdown instantly populates the priority section of the alert in our channel. It is incredibly satisfying to set up. To wrap the whole build up, we just click Finish up in the top right. Give the details a quick review to make sure it looks good, hit Publish, and Slack hands over our magical trigger link. We take that link, drop it directly into a company announcements or support channel, maybe bookmark it at the top, and it's always ready to go. Which brings us to step 4. Let's look at a real scenario, an L1 incident. Picture this. An L1 engineer spots a critical issue. Production servers just went down. Panic is definitely starting to set in. But instead of frantically typing some unhelpful message like, "Everything is broken," they skip the chaos entirely. They just click our new pinned workflow link and quickly fill out the structured form we just built. And instantly, this beautifully structured, highly visible alert drops right into the triage channel. Issue, prod down, priority, urgent, description, database connection timeout. It immediately alerts the whole team with clear, concise, actionable data. You're kicking off the resolution process without missing a beat and without wasting a single second asking follow-up questions. So the big takeaway from this explainer is the sheer scale of opportunity here. Think about it. If you can completely eliminate chaotic support requests and build a beautifully streamlined ticketing system in under 8 minutes with absolutely zero code, what other incredibly frustrating bottleneck are you going to automate next? The possibilities are literally endless. Keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.